Worried about investing? The jargon? The charts? The noise? Let's cut through it. In the next few minutes, you'll go from overwhelmed to making your first smart investment. This is your step-by-step guide to buying a low-cost index fund in 2026. Let's start. First, why invest? The money in your savings account is losing value because of inflation. That coffee that used to be $3 is now $4. Investing is the best way to grow your money faster than inflation. Savings are for emergencies. Investing is for your future. The biggest mistake isn't picking the wrong stock. It's not starting at all. Don't try to pick the next big stock. Most pros can't even beat the market average. Instead, we'll focus on a low-cost index fund. An index fund is like a basket holding tiny pieces of hundreds of top companies, like Apple and Amazon. You buy one share and you're instantly diversified. Legendary investor Warren Buffett recommends this strategy for most people. You're not betting on one company. You're betting on the market as a whole. Before you invest, let's do a quick safety check. First, do you have an emergency fund? That's 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a savings account. This is non-negotiable. Second, do you have high interest debt, like from credit cards? Pay that down first. The interest you're paying will likely wipe out any investment gains. The only exception is to contribute enough to a 401k to get your employer's match. If you've handled these two things, you're ready to invest. Here's how to do it in 4 steps. Step 1. Pick a brokerage. Great options for beginners are Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. They're all trusted, low-cost choices. Step 2. Open and fund an account. A Roth IRA is a fantastic place to start for many eligible U.S. investors, as your money can grow and be withdrawn in retirement tax-free. You can start with any amount, even $1. Choose your index fund. You'll buy an ETF, which is an index fund that trades like a stock. 3 great options are VOO, tracks the 500 largest U.S. companies. VTI covers the entire U.S. stock market. VT covers the entire world stock market. Pick one. They are all excellent starting points. Step 4. Place your order. Find the buy button, enter the fund's ticker symbol, like VTI, and the amount you want to invest. Use a market order for simplicity. Click submit, and that's it. You're an investor. The key to building wealth is consistency. Use a strategy called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This just means investing a fixed amount of money on a regular schedule, like $100 every month. This builds discipline automatically. Go into your account now and set up recurring investments. It's the most powerful step for long-term success. If this guide helped you, hit subscribe for more clear financial advice. And comment below with the fund you chose, VOO, VTI, or VT. You now know why to invest, what to invest in, and exactly how to do it. You've gone from a passive saver to an active owner. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, but you've just taken the most important step, starting. Keep your automatic investments going, be patient, and you've got this.